listeners enjoyed that wonderful Oriental delight, the poo-poo platter. Well, today I'm going to go one step better and prepare a special poo-poo platter. You notice there's an extra poo there. It's the extra poo that makes all the difference. I could have taken the easy road and did a poo platter, but it was a platter with just one poo. I found that even the conventional two-poo platter leaves one a little bit, how should I say it, unfulfilled. I just still find that's not the case when you experience the thrill of an extra poo. Why?
There's no time left for your poo-poo platters.
I mean my poo-poo platter.
Whatever. Put your poo in the refrigerator and we'll try to work it into another show.
Somebody's gonna steal my poo, I didn't know it. What if I make a sign that says, "This is Brock's poo, don't touch it"?
That should do it.